What's going on, YouTube? We are here at Dynamic Raceworks with the V right here. So we're coming here to get it checked out, make sure everything's running good. This car was previously modded and tuned in 2015, and I don't think it has changed since, but I cannot find out exactly what's done to it. So that's what I'm doing here at Dynamic Raceworks. Might end up adding 85 sensor and be able to run on 85, get tuned on 85. Also, might see if they could tweak the transmission a little bit. If not, I'm not worried about it. But yeah, I don't plan on doing anything crazy just yet. Just want to make sure everything's running good and reliable. They got some shit outside. They got some real cars in there though. Another black V2. Looking pretty. Little fucked up in the back. I think they just took it to the track. 6th Gen Z01. This shit. Yeah, that looks sexy.
Nah, you got
C6Z06.
this every time. This is cool. This is cool.
Nah, real shit though.
But you can go Safeway, Target, Giant, go get groceries. What you doing with this? All you can carry is a shorty that don't stop talking. That's all you carry, a shorty that don't stop talking.
Hey. This got the back seats and it's spanking that shit. Don't care. But yeah, this one went through some shit. I texted him yesterday, but he didn't respond. I haven't gone in. This was actually the V I was supposed to buy. This is fully built. 1,200 horsepower on 85 on a conservative tune. Built 427, Circle D transmission, all the goodies. This thing is fucking, wow. Look at this thing. That's a Circle D transmission, the parachute, which is on here as of now. I almost bought the bullet on this one. I almost did. I'm actually glad I didn't. This fucking ridiculous C7. Good Lord. C6CR1. Oh my goodness. V2 wagon in here for some goodies. Oh, look at this. You got a crazy lineup going on. Is that an SS sedan? I think it is. Wow. Yeah, they got that shit going on. This thing is a monster. Shout out to this dude. What's going on? Boom. The white V3. A white V3, oh my goodness. I almost got a V3 as well. All these wheels are actually beautiful. Holy shit. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Wow, it sucks to see this thing like this. Wait, where's your engine, bro? Fuck. Hold on.
Oh my God.
What the fuck happened?
What happened was
I thought you came here for an oil change, bro. This thing is a dust ball.
sorry about it.
Holy shit. Dang.
We gonna be back though.
No, we won't. Alright, so I just got to talk with the dude Adam. I'm not sure if he's the owner or what he is, but basically I'm gonna have to buy a tuning device, tuning credits. Then he's gonna do a dyno time. I have to pay for that as well. Then basically with the dyno time, he's gonna be able to assess the car, basically the health check of the car, and then from there we'll build a plan with what I want to do. Might add E85. He told me gotta check out how much fueling I have. So if I'm cut short on fueling, I have to add a low pressure fuel pump and maybe bigger injectors. Then after that, gonna get a set of coilovers. I think Viking adjustables. And if say I can get a little bit more power out of having the low pressure fuel pump and injectors, then I could decrease the pulley size or get a pulley itself, because I actually have a stock upper pulley right now, but I do have a lower pulley. I did not know that. I thought I had an upper pulley. So yeah, that's the plan so far.
Welcome back to my YouTube. Today we've got Coach Loeb B58 Coach on the camera, filming his car, doing what he does. And here out in the Sahara Desert, we've got a rare sighting. We've got the B58 Coach coming up to the window.
LSA Coach now.
New and improved. What do we have to say? Cut.
All right, she's sent off. I don't know how long the wait is. I'm gonna say a month tops. So I'll be back to you guys when she is ready.